Yes, madam. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a thing you use in the house.
Yes. Now, what do you do with it exactly?
Well, it's not one thing, it's two things. And they're usually made of plastic. You know, if you make a mess, like you drop bread or smash a glass, and there are bits all over the floor.
And you need to pick them up?
Yes! You go like this. Shoop, 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 shoop.
What you're talking about is...
Can I help you, sir?
Yes. I don't know how you say this in English. I'm looking for a thing you use in the kitchen.
Okay.
It's like a thing with, holes.
Uh-huh. What's it for?
Well, it's for cheese or vegetables like carrots.
And what do you do with it?
If you don't want a big piece of cheese or a whole carrot, but you want little pieces, you can push, you can move. I don't know how you say it. Like this.
Ah, okay. What you mean is...